Hello everyone, welcome Lead School at Home. We have started 6th chapter in politics of Unit 4 of Class 10 NCERT, that is Political Parties. In that we have studied overview of the chapter, then why do we need political parties, then meaning of political parties, then functions of political parties, then necessity of political parties, then how many parties should we have, then popular participation in political parties. Then we have also studied national parties. We have studied 7 national parties in India. Then some part of state parties we have completed. State party is also known as regional parties. Now today we will see these regional parties via this chart. Please student, put your textbook in front of you while watching this video and be ready with your pen, pencil and notebook. See here, we will start from north. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is now union territories there. Before it was state. Now in this Jammu and Kashmir territory, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference is there. It is established in 1939 and this is a site. Then Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party and this is a sign, that is cycle. Then Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party established in 1999 and this is a sign. Then we will move to next state. Here Uttar Pradesh is there. In Uttar Pradesh, Rashtriya Lok Dal is there, established in the year 1998 and this is a sign. Then Samajwadi Party is there, established in 1992 and this is a sign. Now we will move towards next state. Here Aam Aadmi Party is there, established in 2012 and this is the sign. Then this party is in Delhi. Then in Punjab, Shiromani Akali Dal is there, established in 1920, sign is wet. Then in Haryana, Indian National Lok Dal is there, established in 1977 and the sign spectacle. Then we will move towards the next, and these regional parties in India has printed, means this party has taken as on 18 October 2017. Now we will move towards the next state. Here next state is there, Bihar. In Bihar, Janata Dal is there, established in 1999, sign is arrow. Then Lok Janashakti Party is there, established in 2000, this is the sign. Then Rashtriya Janata Dal is there, established in 1998 and this party is also in Jharkhand. In the same way, here Aam Aadmi Party is also in already it is in Delhi and also in Punjab. In this way, same way, Janata Dal is also in Jharkhand along with Bihar. Now Rashtriya Lok Samta Party is there, established in 2013 and this is a sign fact. Then we will move towards the next state, Sikkim. In Sikkim, Sikkim Democratic Front is there, established in 1993, this is the sign umbrella. Then Sikkim Krantikari Morcha is there, established in 2013. Then we will move towards the next step. Now in Assam, All India United Democratic Front is there, established in 2009. Lock and key is the sign. Then Asam Ganga Parishad is there, established in 1985 and sign is elephant. Then Bodoland People's Front is there and this is a sign. Then next step, Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, People's Party of Arunachal is there. Then in Nagaland, Naga People's Front is there, and this party is also in Manipur, and this is a sign. Then Manipur, in Manipur, People's Democratic Alliance is there. Then in Mizoram, I think you are not visible. See here. In Mizoram, People's Conference is there, established in 1972. This is the sign. Then next regional party is there. Zoram Nationalist Party is there, established in 1979. Then third state party is there, that is Mizo National Front is there, established in 1961. Next, in Meghalaya, Hill State People's Democratic Party is there, and this is a sign. Then United Democratic Party is there, this is a sign. National People's Party is there, established in 2013, and this party is also in Manipur. Now, I think you are not visible. See here, below side is there. First, I have told that is Hill State People's Democratic Party, then United Democratic Party, and third one is National People's Party, established in 2013. This party is also in Manipur. Next state we will see here. Now we will see in West Bengal. All India Forward Bloc is there. This is sign. Then a Revolutionary Socialist Party, and this party is also in Kerala. Next, in the Odisha, Biju Janata Dal is there, established in 1977. This is the only one party is there in Odisha. Next, in Jharkhand, first party is JMM, established in 1973, and this is a sign. Then AJSU party is there, established in 1986. This is the sign. Then JVM in bracket P, established in 2006. Next in Maharashtra, see here, Shiv Sena is there, established in 1966. Then next, Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, established in 2006. Next, in Telangana, see here, Telangana Rashtra Samiti is there, established in 2001. Then All India Masjid-e-Ittehadul Muslimin, this party is there, and this is a sign. Next, in Karnataka, Janata Dal is there, and this is a secular, established in 1999, and this party is also in Kerala. Next, in Goa, see here, Maharashtra Wadi Gomantak party is there, established in 1961. Next party, Goa Forward Party is there, established in 2016, and these are the signs. Then in Andhra Pradesh, Telugu Desam Party is there, established in 1982. This party is also in Telangana. Then YSR Congress Party is there, established in 2011. This party is also in Telangana. Next, in Tamil Nadu, 4 regional parties are there. First one, All India Anna DMK, established in 1972. This party is also in Puducherry. then Dravida Munnetra Kazahagam. This party established in 1949. This party is also in Puducherry. Then Pattali Makkal Katachi. This party established in 1990. This party is also in Puducherry. Then Desiya Murupoku Dravida Kazahagam. This party is established in 2005. Then in Puducherry, one party is there, that is All India NR Congress, established in 2011. Then in Kerala Congress Mani. This party is established in 1964. Next one is Indian Union Muslim League, that is established in 1948, and this is sign. These original parties are there in India. I think no party is left for reading. These are the original parties in India. Now we will move towards on next page.